Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Doreen and today we will be talking about air butters and their usefulness and how to make it and all of that. Let's get right into this. So air butters basically is a mixture of organic oils and unrefined butters, and it's like kind of acts as a moisturizing sealant and it helps prevent breakage and dryness. But you know the drill, right? You do not want to miss out on things like this, so please do like and subscribe. This is probably the easiest thing to do. Okay, there are actually benefits, but I'm just gonna list out a little. It is great for protective hairstyles. Like it helps to like trap in moisture. It acts as a sealant. So after using your leave-in conditioner and other conditioners and all, you can just apply it after. So it's actually great for protective hairstyles. Making your own DIY air butter will actually make you feel confident about the ingredients, and you don't have to worry about preservatives like alcohols and all those things that could damage your hair. So it's actually great to know how to make your air butter yourself. Don't worry, it's very very easy, and the ingredients are almost always available. Ingredients, that's my main actually, is my unrefined shea butter. This is actually the original shea butter. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, so we have the shea butter, we have castor oil, we have flaxseed oil. I prefer to use flaxseed oil though. You can actually use any oil of your choice. I'm going to use flaxseed oil, then my OG coconut oil. Yeah. So, my flaxseed oil and my coconut oil are the two oils I'm, well, not really sure, because I'm going to add some peppermint. You could choose to add an essential oil if you like. You can actually add any essential oil, but I really love this peppermint because of, its soothing effect. So, yeah, some onion. My onion is almost done, but yeah, this will do. Okay, so I choose to add two of my best creams. You could actually use any, but you should make sure that your hair cream does not contain sulfate. So I really love this. I don't know if you know it. This Indian hemp cream. It's really really good. So I choose to use this. I add this one. Then the other one is this one. I think it's quite popular. This a wonder. So I just add a little of the two of them, and finally, this is really optional, is my contour leave-in conditioner. But you could actually choose to. I actually add this because it gives my mixture or my butter a kind of soft texture, that you would even want to apply to your hair, not this hard when it's done already. So I add a little of my leave-in conditioner. So yeah, let's see how to do it. So the first thing is to get a container or a jar or anything you want to use. I prefer to use this. You can actually get a jar or whatever, but yeah, I'm gonna use this. As you can see, it's not even clean because that's what I've been using. Anyways, yeah, so first, then I'm just gonna add not a bit, like quite much of my bathing liquid. Yeah, this is the so this is just it. I'm just going to run hot water on it. It's actually advisable not to directly put it in it, just like you can put it into a boiling water, then cover it. Just drop it into a boiling water and cover it, or just run hot water like through it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it for like 5 minutes till everything turns liquid. So here is it, guys. It's actually kind of liquidy, kind of something like that, sure. But not everything completely dissolved, but it's okay, you could work with this. So I'm just going to go on and whisk it. No, I'm going to mix it. You could actually use a whisk, a mixer, or anything, but I'm just gonna use my spoon to mix it. It actually depends on the kind of texture you want to achieve. If you want it to be like this, creamy, like, I would advise to use a whisk or a mixer. But I just want everything to mix together to each other, so I'm just gonna use a spoon, and this might take a lot of time. Well, let's say like 4 or 5 minutes. Ooh. So yeah, guys, this is what I got. Yeah, but you're actually gonna get a different texture if you use a whisk, but I like it like this. Actually, I'm actually lazy, but this is okay actually. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the fridge because I'm trying to show you how it's gonna look like. But normally I let it cool itself and solidify itself. But I'm just gonna put it in the fridge and for 30 minutes, then I would show you guys how it comes. So guys, this is how it looks like. Yeah. Anyways, so this is the kind of texture you would get if you want this kind, but you could actually use a whisk and you get a different one, or a mix. It just depends on the one you like. Anyways, yeah, so you could apply it to your dry ends, apply it to your hair, but then you should actually look out for applying too much on your hair, because it's gonna cause build up, especially if your wash day is not as often as possible, like 2 weeks or so. So you shouldn't just pack so much on your hair, because it's gonna cause build up of product, and your hair it's gonna weigh down your hair basically. Yeah. So the shelf life is about 3 months or so, so it actually lasts long. But then it's advisable to do the one you can finish at a short period of time, so you can do it anytime. It's actually very simple to do. Since you already have your ingredients and all, you just do it like once in 2 months or so, something like that. So yeah, guys, that is it. I would really love to know the experiences and all. My comment section is always open. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next week. Bye.